Hello everybody! The purpose of this tutorial is to show what I have learned in my DT class and show how interesting Photoshop is and how you can create creative projects out of it and open new ideas for media business and engineering. Now I'm going to show you how to start. First open Photoshop, then go to File, New. A box will appear. Name your page. I would rather write Mercedes AMG. Switch it to inches rather than pixels. For the width, enter 8.5, and for the height 11, and for resolution 100. CYMC color. Press OK. A page will open and appear. You can move this page as well, like whatever you like. Now I'm gonna add my picture that I will do my project at. First it will appear as an adjustment and I can scale it as ever as I want. I would rather take the whole page. After taking the whole page, press enter. Then it will stabilize as you see. For every step you should add a layer. Adding layers from the down right corner. Now I'm gonna title my page. Press text, the tool text on the left bar, and press on the page. I will write Mercedes. Then I will highlight it. Make it bigger. Then move it around. If anything goes wrong, go to edit, step backward. Okay. Now I would add another layer and then type in AMG. I can change the color if I want. From the top bar, there's a color. Now I would use typography for my title to make it more decent and show which words I mean and which words I would less be meaningful to. For Mercedes, I would go to my effects right next to where we add our layers. Yep, right here, and I would change all my effects for the words. Now that's typography. My first tool is the marquee, rectangular marquee tool. I would select any part from my page and then go to filter. Filter, you can move, you can change any part you want to the picture. I blurred it from the car on the side, as you can see. Second, you have the lasso tool. It's similar to the rectangular marquee, but the lasso tool you can move anywhere you want in the page. Like make it not just a rectangle, you can make it as a circle if you want. Crop tool. You can crop whatever part you want, certain part in the picture. Next we have the spot healing brush. Healing brush like fades what you do wrong and changes it. I see in the top left hand corner. See, you can now I'm using the actual erasing tool, and as you see you can move it around. Now I'm using the blur tool. Blur my picture. Okay, then I'll step backward to get it as it was. I also use the gradient tool and the clone stamp tool. See, you can blur in the logo if I want. Now I'll use the dodge tool to make it more lighter in certain places if I want. Say I want the RTW sign to be more showing, and floor sign, like the floor under the car. Show that it's like amazing. The pen tool. Move it around. See, you can also in the pen tool you have other options as circles. Now I zoom in and out. It's the next tool after the pen tool. Now I've got my AMG back again. Now I'm gonna show you something very interesting, and that's the layer mask tool. I add a picture to my other picture, which is the AMG. Say I added, the Egyptian flag. I'll place it wherever I want, but there has to be something beneath it, under the picture. The mask tool is next to the effects, right next to where you add the layers. I press it and then change my opacity to 85 or something, and then I use the brush tool and then I go over it, as you saw. Now I use my rotating tool. It's edit, transform, and then rotate. You can rotate it as if whatever you want, like 90 degrees, and go back again. Now I'm filterizing certain parts of my picture. When I'm filterizing, you can do blur motion, blur, sharpen it. There are many options you can choose, as you see. Say I took a selection of this part. Now I'm gonna filterize it. And I filterize it. Remember, in the layer mask tool, you should add the layer mask to the picture and then press on the layer mask part next to the picture. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed and it's been a helpful tutorial for you. Thank you.